Okay, Lucas, this is my hotel room. It's very funny. I've got a bunk bed above my bed, which is a bit unusual, I have to say. It does have climate control. There's a touch screen for the lights, which is pretty funky underneath the bunk bed. It's got a little telly, got a mirror. Hello. And it has a sink. And it also has a big cupboard. You open it up and it's actually a shower room. And here we have some mirrors. A shaving point. This little sign here says, "This room isn't afraid of the dark. Please use this switch. Using the switch saves energy." And here we have a toilet in the cupboard. So that's the room. I take my card out, open the door. I walk down the hallway. I'm room 303, which is on the 3rd floor. This big sign says push. So open this. There's some funny pictures of people with cushions. I'm going to say down. And it says Orona. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. And there's a Braille number 3. I'm on the 3rd floor. I can hear the left hand lift coming up. There's no display. It does have 2 doors. I'll go up to 6.
Doors closing. Lift going up.
This is an Orona, 800 kilograms, 10 persons, 2012.
6th floor.
Okay, that's the 6th. Going to ground. I don't actually know which floor opens on these doors. So somebody's had a Burger King. It smells in here. There's a bag on the floor.
Ground floor.
Nobody here. So we're back up to 3.
Doors closing.
Well,
Lift going up. Third floor.
and there we have it. Big sign that says pull. Turn right. Got my Ibis budget card. Ibis. Number 303. There's no braille on there, never mind. Chuck it in. Lights are off. And I put my card in the slot. The lights go on. I have power. And a bunk bed. Okay. I'm going to go to bed. Bye, Lou.